What's up, Fenty fam? Shots and Swatches is back.
But this time, we're pre-gaming, baby. That's right. Welcome to the pregame. I'm Tisha.
I'm Lindsay, and we're giving you a little sneak peek into the most lit launch of the year.
So, you already know we got
Did I hear shots and swatches?
Oh my god! We got a little vodka here.
Or dealer's choice.
Oh, it's giving tequila.
It's been a while.
Okay, well, cheers.
Let's get this pregame started.
Yes. Cheers to the LITTIEST launch.
I'm scared.
Just like the old days.
That wasn't that bad.
I'll leave you all to it.
Thanks for stopping
Get
by.
lit, but it's just a soft lit. Okay.
Oh,
Just a little
soft
Just a little
lit.
soft.
So now it's time for the big reveal. We're launching our new foundation.
This is called SoftLit Naturally Luminous Foundation. Comes in 50 shades because, you know, we're Fenty Beauty, so we gotta come through with a shade for everybody.
What's different about this foundation is that it gives such a natural glow. It's really a golden hour in a bottle. And we see the comments, where's the hydrating foundation? It's medium coverage, very hydrating, has a lot of skincare benefits as well, but we'll get into that. Before we even get into all of this, I think we kind of need to get shade match because we do have 50 shades and we have a tone for everyone, but sometimes we know it's a little hard, especially like with different undertones. So we're gonna call in for some help.
We have Michael here. Michael is our global head of education at Fenty Beauty, and he's gonna help us find our perfect shade.
But before we get into that, it's shot o'clock.
Shot o'clock.
Okay.
Tequila or vodka?
Tequila.
Oh my god. Nobody wants to drink with me.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh. Okay, I feel like the more you do them, the more better they get. But then you know what happens.
That's dangerous, though.
The thing with shade matching is it like seems more complicated than it is, and you said it perfectly with 50 shades. It can feel a little overwhelming. If you look really phenomenal in gold jewelry, there's a strong likelihood that you're a warm undertone. If you look really phenomenal in silver jewelry, there's a strong possibility that you're a cool undertone. And if you look great in both, there's a strong possibility that you are neutral and can do both. So that takes your selection down from 10 even further. So I pulled two options for you. You were very much giving 310 to 315 to me, but I think it could go either way. So again, putting it on the skin is really just like the best way to verify. So I am just going to give it a little shaky shake.
Always remember to shake.
Yeah, just best practice. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. We're starting with 310. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the foundation. And I am using concealer brush 180, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do a nice little stripe down your face. And then where I've placed it, I'm going to make sure that I start to gently blend out the edges because you wanna make sure that it's not too dense where you've applied it. You wanna give it a little bit of shearing so you can see how it really melts into the skin. So this one is 315. And I'm going to do it with a little bit of space in between the other swatch, just to verify. Wow, so lovely, and I'm just gonna blend out this way.
So we're thinking 315?
I'm thinking 315.
And
What do you
315's a warm.
I agree.
It's warm or neutral?
These are both warm. I think that you are like pretty clearly a warmed undertone to me. You, on the other hand, I feel like you could go either way. I think you could be warm, but I also think that you could be neutral because you have a healthy mix of undertone.
Okay, we love options.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for you, Miss Tisha, I pulled 400, which is warm, and I pulled 385, which is neutral. And I know that that jump in numbers might seem scary, but it's like, because they're not arranged in terms of deepness, they're arranged based off of undertone and deepness. Don't let the numbers throw you off. So let's get started with, we'll start with 400, the warm. So I'm gonna apply, we're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. Give a nice little pump. Second verse, same as the first. So let's go ahead and do a nice little swatchy swatch. Right, and then just like we did the first time, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges so it's not too dense on the skin. Nice. Okay, and like that is the whole thing. Like it should gently disappear into your skin, right? There shouldn't be any harsh lines. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a nice little stripe. And I feel like you're neutral. I feel like it's 385.
Okay.
I think that's looking great.
So
Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, thanks for partying with me.
And if you guys need help shade matching as well, visit fentybeauty.com for a shade matching tool or DM us. Duh.
Now that we found our shades, we're gonna get into the SoftLitGlow look.
before we start into any look, of course we gotta prep our skin. So we gotta go in with some Fenty Skin Hydrovisor, Moisturizer, and SPF. If you're not wearing SPF every day, what are you doing?
Nice and plump and hydrated.
And White Cass where? Nowhere. She nowhere to be found. Is going right into our foundation. But wait, if we came out with a new foundation, you know we had to come out with a new brush. This is our new foundation brush, 145.
It's nice and flat, so it's like easy to blend.
And it's super soft. Soft bristles, period.
Should we take another shot?
She said it, not me.
Okay,
cheers. Cheers.
Yum.
Let's go
Okay,
right on the
let's get
brush.
soft.
I'm gonna do one pump to start with.
No, same.
This foundation is also Longwear, waterproof, and sweat and transfer resistant, so your makeup's gonna be looking fresh all day.
Okay, good, because this tequila got me hot.
For real, my cheeks are like so warm.
I like that it's like medium coverage because it's like not too heavy on the skin, but also feels really hydrating. Like,
Definitely.
they say it's golden hour in a bottle. It was not playing with that one. Okay, now we're gonna go into concealer. Of course, we had to get our girl We're Even concealer.
I'm wearing shade 295 Warm.
And I'm wearing shade 390C.
Look at that doe foot. What's your concealer placement? Where do you like to put it?
I kind of usually do like here.
Stripe and then out.
If you guys watch Mimi in the makeup room, Priscilla and Polly say less is more. Always kind of pick a shade that's not super brightening, especially like if you're trying to cover up dark circles. Okay.
I think it's looking good. Let me see.
Good.
Oh, okay.
Okay, period.
It's coming along.
Okay, we'll take another shot because we're gonna go into bronzing.
Cheers.
Cheers, clink, clink, clink.
I've had too many of these.
Let's get into, I'm gonna do some contour. I'm using matchsticks in the shade Truffle.
And I'm actually gonna do a little bronzer. I'm not really into contouring, but a little bronze around the face. So I'm gonna go in with Sunstalker bronzer in Mocha Mommy. So I kind of just like to like still do the same placements of like a contour and then kind of just blend it out.
Get this face looking Fenty face snatched. Next up, we're gonna put on some Cheeks Out cream blush.
I'm gonna do Raising Standards. Shout out to Glamzilla, really hyping up the shade.
I'm gonna do Big Melons. I'm pro blush. Blush everywhere. Blush everywhere 2024. That's the campaign I'm running on.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Shot o'clock. Before we get lit with our highlight.
Cheers. Okay, now on to highlighter. I'm gonna go in with Kilowatt and Mean Money Hustler Baby.
And I'm gonna use our new Demi-Glow Light Diffusing Highlighter in the shade Too Much. I also have our new highlighter brush. It's fluffy, tapered, and it's perfect for our new Demi-Glow.
Yeah, and I'm honestly just gonna go on my fingers with this because sometimes it's like easier. So let's do it. A little bit on the Cupid's bow. Highlighter is done.
Now it's time to set with a little bit of our favorite, the MVP Invisimatte. I take this everywhere with me.
It's in a bag.
Invisimatte, stay in the bag.
Stay in the bag. Now we're gonna go on with some hella thick mascara because she is thick.
And the mascara's done.
Mascara's done.
Now it's time to go in with our finishing touch, Gloss Bomb, everybody's favorite.
We both ate our looks and that deserves a shot.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do
One
it.
for the road.
Let's do it. Let's do it. You know, it's the end of the day. It's the end of the day. We got soft lit while we tried on soft lit. Maybe a little more than, we got a little more than soft lit, but
Cheers.
cheers.
Y'all gotta let us know in the comments how many shots we took because honestly,
I don't remember. Oh my god.
I hope y'all are excited for this new launch, SoftLit Naturally Luminous Foundation.
Soft lit, naturally luminous.
SoftLit.
Soft lit.
Yeah.
Soft lit, naturally luminous foundation.
clearly we're a little more than soft lit right now, but you know what I'm saying. But go ahead and cop this foundation, coming out soon, and let us know what more videos y'all want to see from us.
Thanks for pre-gaming with us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.